Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be re-siliconing a bath. We're all guilty of this, letting the silicone go too far, so we'll show you some of the problems. You can see the corner, you see it's all lifted here, now lifting at the back, and we've got some problems at the side here as well. So it's that time where we have to redo it, so let's show you how we do it. This is pretty much the equipment you'll need. You'll need some silicone. I'm not promoting any brands, so a silicone of your choice. I've got some silicone remover, a profiling tool, a remover tool, a gun, so for the sealant. We've got the gloves, and you'll need plenty of tissue as well. First up, we need to remove the old sealant. We can do that. I'm going to do that first of all using this sealant remover. We can just give it a little shake like this. Take it off. So if you haven't got a silicone remover, you can use anything, just make sure it doesn't damage the surface. So I've got a blunt chisel here, so if you just move that along the surface, you can see that it's doing a pretty good job. Quick example of a scraper, I'll try and get a bit closer. Got one hand here, but you can take it off this way as well. Again, it's not too sharp. You might be able to see, I'm not sure how clear it is, but there's some bits that it's really difficult to get off, and that's where the sealant remover comes in. So all we're going to do is take the sealant remover, should be on a little brush, this is a new bottle, and all we're going to do is apply it on here, be quite generous, let it sit for 15 minutes and then scrape the excess off. It's really helping to lift the rest of it up. Probably see that there. Purposely designed scraper comes into its own when we've got the sealant remover on. Warm water, and we're just going to get the excess off. So I'm going to rub it down. Right, so we've filled the bath just so it mimics the expansion that would happen when we're having a bath on the silicone, and we'll leave that in whilst it sets. Top up the silicone here, make sure that we don't damage the thread. There you go. The top on. We've got the tip, you can put an angle on it if you want, but you can change the size by going up and down on here, so I'm just going to put a small angle on it here. You can take that bit off as well at the top. Place it into the gun. Put a bead down. Our profiling tool, we're going to use number 6. The first thing we're going to do is pull it across, and then we're going to double back on ourselves and pull it back, so I'll just show you that now. So we need some tissue to wipe the excess off, and I'll try and show you this. Camera's in the way a little bit, but let's try and show you an example of it. So pulling it across, just wipe that excess off, and then we can continue coming across. Pulling it slowly. Again, wipe that excess off. Coming across. See that there? So just the beads running along. I'm just going to do the whole thing. Just take it in. Relatively good bead all the way across. So these cutters can be a bit tricky, so all I've done is I've pulled it round, put an extra blob on the corner now. I've just pulled it round, and then I'm going to pull it across. Just do this bit. It's a bit messy. Take that bit off. Just pull that across, I'll sort this bit out in a minute. But you can see that the corner's okay there now. I can run it back into the corner, make sure I take any excess off on both sides. And then, some people like to leave that and come back and do this bit in the next day, but I'm going to run it straight down. We continue pulling this one up. Corners can be a bit tricky, so we're just going to profile it round in a little arc. There we go. Then up. take the excess off here. There we go. Right, so we're pretty much done.